What is up, guys? Merry Christmas and Happy Hanukkah for those of you guys who are celebrating. In this video, I do want to have a look at Veracity because a massive breakout is imminent. And I know a lot of you guys are going to be like, oh, Mark J, Mark Veracity, this guy, Elliot, Veracity's dead. Veracity's not going anywhere. It's manipulated by KuCoin. I'm tired. Go to sleep. Anyways, we're going to be having a look at VRA. I haven't covered Veracity in a while, and I really think that a breakout is imminent. And guys, 2025 is going to be a massive year for altcoins. Okay, we have not seen an altcoin season and we have not seen a bull market for altcoins yet. Okay, so a lot of people are like, oh, why is everything pumping but Veracity? Why is everything pumping but my coin? When in reality, nothing is pumping. Okay, literally no altcoins are pumping unless it's like Solana and a few shit coins on Solana. Other than that, the real OG altcoins or regular altcoins are just not pumping. But 2025 is the year. We're 7 days away. And in this video, we're going to be having a look at Veracity. So let's dive in real quick into VRA, currently traded at 0045, sitting at a market cap at $45 million. This thing can still 10x. This thing can still 15x. We can still go to a, 450 million to $550 million market cap, right? I mean, this thing is still very, very early. We know what Veracity does. The whole click view thing, click ad fraud thing and proof of view and all that stuff is obviously very, very good, right? And the whole concept, the whole proof of concept is very, very good as well. By the way, before I finish with the Veracity and I continue with the technical analysis on this chart, which I do want to talk about, if you guys are interested in my Discord, this is my Discord right here. People are absolutely cooking in my Discord. People are making money. If you guys want to make money with us, if you want to make money with me, make sure you guys click on the link in the description below. And of course, if you do want to go ahead and unlock VIP, all you have to do is follow this section right here. So going back into Veracity real quick, currently traded at 004595 with a market cap of $45 million, 24-hour trade volume sitting at $13 million. Not the highest, not the lowest. This is okay. Now, we know VRA, guys, is not listed on high exchanges. Yes, we got KuCoin, we got OKXGate.io, we got Bybit, by the way. Bybit is pretty bullish, okay? Obviously, not new. It's old news, but still pretty good. We got Mexi, XD, BingX, and of course, all these combined, they make up of $13 to $14 million worth of volume, which is pretty decent. Now, if we have a look right here at the chart, Veracity is currently in a ascending triangle. So the good thing about this is that, yes, we have been consolidating right here, but we're also above the point of control, which is the orange or red line. Now, the point of control pretty much tells you where Veracity has mostly been traded since this consolidation phase, since pretty much Bitcoin took a dump. And pretty much that's about it. And the big question is, how high is Veracity going? Well, if I actually take this right here and I put it at the breakout, you guys can see right here that we should have a target of 52.47. From here, that would be approximately a 13% pump. Now, obviously, if you're playing on 10x leverage like me, that could be 130% within the next few hours. Now, you're not going to make 130% on any altcoins on spot right now. Literally on any altcoins, you're not going to make 130%. So in my opinion, this is a pretty good risk reward type of thing. And in my opinion, I do think that Veracity will come to at least this area right here, which would be a little bit higher from this region. We would see a 26% pump. And if you are on 10x leverage, you could see a 270% gain from there. So let me just remove this indicator real quick. I do want to have a look on the daily time frame. Veracity did have a nice little pump right here on the daily time frame. Now, the good thing about this is that Veracity is coming back and retesting this support region. Okay, this is a very important support region right here on the daily time frame. So we had the inverse head and shoulder right here, as you guys can see. This was the inverse head and shoulder on Veracity. We had this nice little beautiful breakout to the upside, and we know historically every time we have these breakouts, we usually come down and retest. Now let's have a look at the stochastic RSI. We note that also when we are overbought on the stochastic RSI, we usually come down. So no, this is not just Veracity. This is not just your coin. This is everyone is like this, okay? Everyone when they're overbought. Let's have a look at Floki. You guys can see we're overbought right here and we pretty much went down. So every coin that are essentially overbought ends up pretty much correcting. It's nothing bad. Everything is healthy. And you guys can see right here, Veracity is pretty much oversold. So you guys know what's going to happen next. We're most likely going to see a move to the upside. So that's pretty much what's happening on Veracity. Looking pretty good, obviously, on the daily time frame. Things are looking pretty good. Things are looking better than ever. As long as Veracity can hold this region right here, obviously it's going to be bullish. In my opinion, we're most likely going to have a massive move and a massive V recovery shape. at the beginning of 2025, you could probably see, I don't want to say all-time highs, but you could probably see new highs in the past year in the first quarter of 2025. So this is a very, very bullish sign on the daily time frame. This is exactly what we want to see, because the last time we were actually oversold, Verasity was actually traded at 50% lower than what it is currently in right now. So obviously this is really, really good. The fact that we are oversold right here and sitting at 0.046 instead of 0.022 is obviously a very, very bullish sign for VRA. So pretty much that's what's happening right now on the daily time frame. If I have a look right here on the shorter time frame, you guys can see that Verasity obviously not doing anything too crazy. I mean, we are just consolidating, okay? Now the big question is will this fall? Because we know historically when Bitcoin falls, Verasity does fall, or when Bitcoin falls, altcoins do fall. But so not only did I show you guys that that triangle on the 1 hour time frame, but I do want to have a look at this pattern right here on the 4 hour time frame. Okay, so we saw the ascending triangle on the 1 hour time frame. Now usually theoretically this is actually a very bearish pattern, okay, but I am not banking on that. I mean, we know historically that right now we are in a bull market. You don't want to be shorting in a bull market, even though it's not an altcoin season yet, and even though we're not in a full-blown bull market for crypto or for altcoin, I guess I should say. You don't want to be shorting this. So obviously, we could have a nice little fake out and then explode to the upside. So it's only a matter of time. I have long. My Patreon members have long. My people on Discord have a long. By the way, if you are interested in joining the Patreon, this is for serious traders only. Make sure you guys click on the link in the description below. You guys will get access to this trading VIP signal. So pretty much that's what's happening right now. 1 hour looks pretty good, and I mean, there's nothing, nothing really much to say. We are oversold on the 1 hour, which is bullish on the shorter time frame. So we're gonna have to see what happens if we could have a nice little reversal and if we could potentially close above this resistance. If that does happen, you could see a continuation or expect a continuation to the upside. If you guys like this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, turn notification bells on so you guys never miss a video. Peace out.